Right, so this one here, I've already taken the nuts off. This is all chewed up anyway, so there's no way of getting that off. Again, there's no play in this, however, if we follow the pipe up, which is this one here, across, if we take the nut off the back of here, that'll allow us to then lift this entire pipe up, getting this out. So this pipe now has been taken off, and then that can just be taken off the top. What can do is get the new one in there and then reconnect it at the top, and jobs are good. So we take this one off and then replace it with the new one. So what we've done here is replace this body, left the old nuts on because there's no room to get these nuts up and get the olives off without changing a lot of this pipe work. So what I've done is put some Boss Whites inside these nuts where the olives are to make sure there's a good enough seal, and then reconnected at the top, and then that's a fully working stop tap. Just also make sure that you've got it in the right direction, that it's going how it could make whistling noises or vibration noises. Also, just addition, when opening these, open them all the way until they stop, and then give it a half or full turn back down. That just helps it prevent it from seizing. Again, these should be turned on and turned off every 6 months, just to make sure that they don't seize up.